अभी हम स्पेशल मेंशंस पे जाएंगे। श्री रामनाथ ठाकुर जी, आप ले कर लीजिए, बिकॉज 6 बज चुका है।
माननीय सभापति जी,
ले कर लीजिए।
भारत माला परियोजना केंद्र सरकार की एक महत्वाकांक्षी परियोजना है, जिसके माध्यम से सरकार देश में सड़क परिवहन सुविधा का विस्तार करती है ताकि इसका लाभ सभी को मिले और देश की आर्थिक प्रगति को रफ्तार मिले। बिहार में सड़कों का प्रति व्यक्ति घनत्व काफ़ी कम है। हाल ही में बिहार में कई राजमार्गों पर काम चल रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी इनकी रफ्तार काफी सुस्त है। जिन परियोजनाओं को काफी समय पहले पूरा हो जाना चाहिए था, उन पर काम अभी भी बहुत धीमी गति से चल रहा है, जिसके चलते उनके पूरा होने में ज्यादा समय और धन लग रहा है। जहां देश के अन्य भागों में राजमार्गों निर्माण की गति काफी तेज है तथा उसका लाभ भी आम जन को सही समय पर प्राप्त होता है, वहीं दूसरी ओर बिहार में
Dr. Ami Yagnik ji, not present. Shri Abdul Wahab ji, not present. Shri S. You are not going on record, Honorable Member. You are not going on record. Honorable Member, you are not going on record. Abdul Wahab ji.
Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance. On the subject.
Please read the headline and lay.
Yeah. Rehabilitation of Gulf returnees. Urgent matter, I am laying this one on.
Thank you. Shri S. Selva Ganapati, please lay.
Honorable Chairman, I place on the table the resuming of air flight to Pondicherry.
Thank you. Shri Mohammad Nadimul Haq ji, not present. Shri Sanjay Singh ji, not present. Shri V. Vijay Sai Reddy ji, not present. Dr. Amar Patnaik ji, please lay.
Yeah, this special mention is about demand for inclusion of Ho, Santali, Kosli, Sambalpuri and Mundari languages in the 8th schedule to the Constitution. So I'll just read one line. In 2003, a committee was set to evolve an objective criteria for inclusion of more languages in the 8th schedule, submitted its report in 2004. Years later, there is still no consensus over the criteria for inclusion of languages.
Please.
Therefore, the inclusion of Ho, Santali, Sambalpuri and Mundari languages in the 8th schedule must be expedited as earlier demanded by the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha.
Thank you, sir. Dr. M. Thambidurai ji, not present. Dr. Sonal Mansingh ji.
I thank you very much because I got a second chance to say something. I just wanted to quote.
I think you have a special mention. So
Yes, I have. That's Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.
Okay, you've already done that.
Which I already spoke about, sure. But if you permit me, sir.
We have to only read out what has been in the text.
So that I have already spoken about.
You lay
yes,
it.
Yes,
Sure.
Thank you.
Dr. V. Sivadasan ji, not present. Shri K. Soma Prasad ji. Sorry. Shri Jawahar Sirkar ji, not present. Shri GVL Narsimha Rao ji.
So my special mention is about the need for change of criteria for establishing Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas. A state like Andhra Pradesh with more than 5 crore population has only 15 JNVs. So I would request population also to be considered apart from number of districts of a state. And I lay it on the table.
Thank you. Shri Neeraj Dangi ji, not present. Honorable members, I would like to invite the attention of all of you to the gross misconduct of TMC floor leader Shri Derek O'Brien in this August House a little earlier. Shri Derek O'Brien raised some point of order to which Honorable Deputy Chairman has duly responded. A little later, Shri Derek O'Brien flung the rule book furiously in the direction of the chair. The rule book would have hit the chair or Secretary General or officials sitting at the table. Shri Derek O'Brien thereby resorted to grave misconduct and gross violation of the rules of the House and norms of etiquette and conduct. Being a floor leader, Shri Derek O'Brien, instead of setting high standards of conduct in the House, set a bad example and in the process denigrated the dignity and stature of this august House. This act of Shri Derek O'Brien is highly condemnable.
Sir, I move that Sri Derek O'Brien, member, be suspended from the services of the House for the remaining part of the current session for his unruly and contemptuous behavior, unbecoming of a member of Rajya Sabha, by brazenly throwing the Rajya Sabha rule book towards the chair during the discussion on the Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021 on 21st December 2021, thereby bringing disrepute and shame to this august House.
The question is that the motion moved by the Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs for suspension of Shri Derek O'Brien, MP, from the services of the House for the remaining part of the current session be adopted. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. Shri Derek O'Brien therefore stands suspended from the remaining part of the current session. The House stands adjourned to meet at 1100 hours on Wednesday, the 22nd December 2021.